welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to make 3 varieties of muffins. I'll be making the mixed dried fruits muffins, some pecan nut muffins and chocolate chunk muffins. To make the pecan nut muffin, you can use any nut of your choice. I prefer the pecan nut. I have the pecan nuts, dried ones. I've got caster sugar, some eggs, milk, vegetable oil or melted butter, pinch of salt, self-raising flour, some baking powder and nutmeg as well. I've got the baking pan. You can grease it or add the muffin cases. To this you can add either some cinnamon or vanilla. I will be using vanilla to flavor, vanilla essence for the flavoring. I'm going to use the all-in mixing method, which means adding all the ingredients except the nut, which will be mixing at the end. So I'm adding in the sugar into my mixing bowl, my nutmeg, baking powder and the self-raising flour. I'm adding in the eggs, the milk, the melted butter and a pinch of salt. Mix the mixture into a soft batter. You can either use a wooden spoon or you can use your mixing machine or a hand whisk if you have one. Once the mixture is mixed through and you've got some air incorporated in, add the pecan nuts or any nut of your choice. This into your muffin pan or grease the muffin pan and add spoonfuls of the batter into your cases. Bake at 170 degrees for about 15 minutes. The muffins are ready. I'm going to place them on cake wire to enjoy.